ANYCUBIC Water Washable Resin 3.0 lets you clean uncured prints with plain water, which makes post-processing faster and less messy than using alcohol baths. The cured parts show very little warping or dimensional drift, so fine details and tight tolerances tend to come out reliably on well-tuned machines. Its combination of high surface hardness and notable stretch before failure makes it well-suited for functional pieces that need drilling, tapping, or light mechanical use. The relatively thin, free-flowing resin helps layers level quickly in the vat, which can shorten exposure cycles and improve throughput on longer jobs. Odor is noticeably milder than many standard resins, so running prints for extended periods is more comfortable in a workshop or home office with normal ventilation. Because it works across a wide range of liquid crystal display and digital light processing printers, this bundle is a practical choice if you run multiple machines or plan to upgrade later.